In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in business PayPal account. If you need to access your PayPal business account, this process is simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Once the home page loads, look for the business option. This is usually found near the top of the page. Click on business to move to the section specifically designed for business users. This is important because PayPal offers different areas for personal and business accounts, and selecting the correct section helps make sure you're heading to the right login page. After that, you'll be taken to the PayPal business page. On this screen, find the login button and click it. This will open the sign-in page where you can enter your account credentials. Now, in the email field, type in the email address connected to your PayPal business account. Make sure to enter it carefully and double check for any typing mistakes, since even a small error can stop you from signing in properly. Next, move to the password field and type in your password. As always, be careful when entering your password, especially if it's case sensitive. If you're signing in on a shared or public device, it's a good idea to avoid saving your login information for security reasons. Once both your email and password have been entered, click the login button. PayPal will then process your information, and if everything is correct, you'll be signed into your business account. If the login doesn't work on the first try, take a moment to review your email and password for any mistakes. It's very common for login issues to come from small typing errors, extra spaces, or the wrong keyboard settings, such as caps lock being turned on. And that's it. The full process is to go to the PayPal website, click on Business, click Login, enter your email, type your password, and then click Log In to access your account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you log in to your PayPal business account quickly and easily.